and welcome back. Today is Sunday, so I'm excited because Jay and I are going to take the motorbike and we are going to explore the countryside of Malaysia. And typically back home in Canada, Jay and I would go to the Tim Hortons drive-through, grab a coffee, and just go chill and cruise in the car and see what there is to see. So today we are going to do that on the motorbike. We are just going to relax, see the countryside, and we wanted to bring you guys along. And we've plotted out a course for probably around 4 hours, just kind of like a circle, and just to kind of drive around and see the sights. So I think it'll be a lot of fun, so who knows what we're gonna get into. Let's go. We were driving, I had made Jay pull over because I absolutely love these dragon fruit fields. Check these out. Road trips typically are routed to either a coffee shop or some sort of food. So we ended up here. The menu is completely in Chinese, I'm gonna say. And the young guy making our lunch was super nice. I think we ordered fried rice. We're gonna see what we get. About as authentic as it gets, I think. We don't really know where we are, what town we're in. The menu, can't read it. We talked to this young kid that brought us the best, I think, ever fried rice I've ever had. See? I got a machine shop behind me. Oh no, it's working on a bike or something. I'm not even really sure, but this is awesome. This is what I like about traveling. Going to a little town with plastic tables and plastic chairs, having lunch. It was awesome. As Jay and I were out tooting around on the scooter, we came across this beautiful Chinese temple. So we're gonna stop and have a look around. you walk closer to the temple, you can smell the incense burning. It smells so pretty and all. It looks like they are still building, and it sounds like they're still building, but it's absolutely stunning. If you walk past the first temple, you can see the grounds in the back. They're all kind of like still a work in progress, but it is going to be beautiful, I think, when it's completed. All right, back on the scooter.
Little jam in the middle of nowhere.
I know, it's great. Back safe and sound just before sunset. Whew, what a good day. Whew. I think touring around on the motorcycle is one of Jay and I's favorite things to do. I think it's a great way to see the countryside. Usually it involves a coffee, a drive through Tim Hortons, and a car ride, but a scooter ride is just as good. We had so much fun today. We saw lots of things. I love just looking at all of the landscapes. It's so different from Canada. I love looking at all of the palm trees and the banana fields and the dragon fruit fields. It was absolutely amazing. So thanks for joining us on our country cruise. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as Jay and I did. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.